Hi students, the topic of today is about talking of the past. Today we're going to check the use of past progressive. The past progressive refers to a continuous action or state that was happening at some point in the past. As you can see, the past progressive is something that happened in the past. The structure of the past progressive and the affirmative form is the use of verb to be in simple form, was or were, depending of the noun, the subject. We have the verb plus ing. As you can see, the example, I was studying at school. You were studying at school. She was studying at school. He was studying at school. It was studying at school. We were studying at school. And they were studying at the school. This is the affirmative form of past progressive. We're going to check the negative form. We use the same verb to be in simple form, was and were, but in this case we are going to add not, the verb and the ing. We have the example, I was not studying at school. You were not studying at school. She was not studying at school. He was not studying at school. It was not studying at school. We were not studying at school. They were not studying at school. We can use past progressive in order to explain what was happening in the past in a situation. For example, I was reading the newspaper when my mom called me. As you can see, this is past progressive. This is simple past because all the actions happened in the past. We have another example. She was cleaning the kitchen while her dog was playing with a cat. As you can see, she was cleaning the kitchen while her dog was playing with a cat. These two actions are happening or happened in the past. We are going to check another examples. You were watching videos when your brother arrived to the house. Another example is we were listening music in the living room while they were dancing in the kitchen. So, all these actions happened in the past, but we can use past progressive to say the specific moment that the action happened. So, thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.